Addition to the finishing of that last video. Somebody's going to point it out, I'm sure. I had that plugged in the active. That's the foot switch. But anyway, just to say something, that connector is really good and holds well. There's the foot switch. Anyway. So don't kill me in the comments or kill me. Yeah, I did. I was quickly connecting it up and was happy to hear the thing work, at least the solution working. So yes, I did have it foot switch in the wrong one. And actually, signal levels are a lot different. Watch this. Oh, the signals are the same. Okay. Anyway, that's interesting. Sticking. Huh. Okay. I'm not sure. Maybe this one, when you put that one in, it deactivates this one. I don't know. I haven't looked at any proper schematics. And since it's to a board and it's on tracers and there's looks like there's chips, really small chips, resistor chips. So could be that when you plug this one in, this one is deactivated. You would think you wouldn't want to have them both going at the same time, now would you? Or I don't know. I do know if you put this one in here, it's a lot less attenuated. Look at that. So there is an attenuation on this one. Of course, because it's active, so your active pickups will be hotter, right? I'm not a fan of actives. Used to be, not anymore. Anyway, don't kill me on the comments. If you want to make some jokes, go ahead. That was my mishap. Miss or mishap? Alright, rock and roll, dudes.